I got him. There's the bus. There's Happy Christina. No? Where's the shop? Oh, show me that clip. Покажи the clip.
What clip?
Clip. Oh, Tom. Wow. That's fresh bread. Probably today. It doesn't get any better than that. No preservatives. No nothing, but if you don't eat it like in 2 days, you're screwed. But it's a good 2 days.